What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on here, my name is Emmanuelaokon and welcome. So yeah, I'm wearing my wig cap because in this video I'm going to be doing like just a quick review of a wig that a company sent to me. Their name is LUVMEHAIR. This is actually the hair. I'm not wearing it right now because I just put like water like on it and everything. Yeah, because the thing is like with like curly hairs like this, I always like it when the hair is like puffy and stuff like that. But like for the sake of this review, I just went to like add water to it so that you guys can see. Just take a closer look at the curl patterns. Yeah, so I'm going to put it on like very soon, but before I put it on, I just wanted to give you like some product description about the hair. So this is a curly bob wig, human hair and closure wig. So I picked 14 inches. I believe it also comes in 12 inches. Let me just double check the site. I'm going to leave like the product description of this hair in the description box below so that you guys can see. So it comes in 12 and 14 inches. This is 100% virgin hair. It lasts for more than one more year from what I'm seeing here. It is 200% density. To be honest, I don't understand all these hair things, but I can tell you that the quality is very good, and it's full. It's not like light, it's a bit full. Like it's just like in the middle, that kind of thing. Not too bulky, not too thin. And it came with straps, the hair. Actually, you know, I'm also going to get the packaging so you guys see how it came. Yeah. Okay, so I got the box. So this is the box. You guys can see. So this is the box it came in. The packaging was great. It came with a wig cap, it came with a guide, and it also came with like bobby pins, and it also came with like hair straps, but like it's not in the pack right now, but it came with that. This is like a guide for you to see. There we go. And the wig is, to be honest, very affordable. I'm going to leave like the details in the description box. I think the hair is all dried up now and I'm going to try on. I'm also going to just be showing you guys in depth like what the hair, like the strap thing, I'm just going to like show you how it looks. I hope you guys can get a closer look at how it looks. And it actually came, there was something that came with it inside. I'm going to be leaving it on the screen for you guys to see. I'm not with it right now, but I'm going to leave it somewhere here so you can see that was what came with the closure unit. But look at how the closure unit is when you, because it doesn't come pre-plugged, so you have to plug it yourself. But my sister helped me. Yeah. Obviously, when I put my hands, you can see. So I'm going to just try it on for you guys so you can see. Honestly, this hair, this hair is very nice. I'm just gonna. But to be honest, if you want it to be like puffy and stuff like that, you can go ahead and do that, because that's what I actually like. Like when the hair, you know how like scissors hair is like, it's, I like my hair that way. No, I don't know if the hair looks okay. Look at my phone. Yeah, I'm using my phone as a mirror, as you can see. So this is how it looks. I'm going to stand up so that you guys can see how the hair looks. I really like it, to be honest. I'm very impressed. See? Focus on the curls for you. and I'll turn so that you guys can see. I really like the hair, to be honest. I haven't worn it like that much. I've only worn it like, this is like my second time wearing it. And like, I think I posted it on my Instagram for you guys to see. And I also had a 20% off discount code, I believe. Like if you want to purchase hair from their site. And like this hair, it's honestly giving me life. I love it. Let me even see what the price is so that you guys know why I'm saying like it's very affordable. Mind you, I'm wearing 14 inches, so actually it's on sale. Can you imagine? So it's showing me that it was $304.75. Yeah, but now it's $121.90. I don't know if this is in USD or Canadian dollars, but from what I can see, this is like the 12 inches. So the 12 inches is on sale for $121.90. If I put the 14 inches, which is the one I have on, it was $367.25. I believe it's in USD, and now it's on sale for $146.90. Like, guys, this hair is giving me life. The curl pattern is like, if I say pattern is very nice. I feel like if you put like a mousse to hold it, I didn't do that right now, but like if you do, the curls will really like stay. Like 14 is good, sharp. I feel like if I pick 12 to be like here, but I feel this is it's a good one. Yeah, I like the hair. So let me know what you think about this hair in the script, like in the comment section below, or description box. And yeah, I'm going to leave all the information about this hair in the comment section, or rather the description box. Why do I keep on saying comment section? So I'll leave it in the description box for you guys to see, a direct link to it, and I will leave it in the description box as well, so that you guys can shop this hair from Love Me Hair. So be sure to check them out, because this hair is good quality. I won't be coming on here to tell you guys that's good like I won't lie like this. I won't lie to you about this hair, because see, it's nice, see. So yeah, so be sure to check out Love Me Hair. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you, bye.